fix Windows cannot access the specified device error in Sniper Elite 5 on Windows. To fix Windows cannot access the specified device error in Sniper Elite 5, try these steps. 1. Locate the game in your Xbox app for Windows. 2.
And access additional options. Like this. 3. Now you may either hit Create Shortcut or click on Manage, for newer or latest Windows 11 users. 4. Now, click on Create Desktop Shortcut tab in the General tab. Like this. 5. Go back to your desktop, and right-click on the newly created shortcut for your Sniper Elite 5, choose Run as Administrator. Like this.